In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add duration in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a complex project with tight deadlines or simply trying to keep track of timelines for a smaller task, understanding how to work with durations in Smartsheet can significantly enhance your efficiency and organization. Let's get started by opening up your Smartsheet where you wish to manage your project durations. Once you have your sheet ready, the first thing you'll want to do is identify the section where you want to track the duration. Typically, this is done next to your start and end date columns, allowing for a seamless flow of information. Now, to add a duration column, take your cursor and hover over any column header within your sheet. It doesn't necessarily have to be the start or end date column. A helpful tip here is to choose a location that logically fits within your current layout, perhaps immediately adjacent to your date columns. Click on the plus icon that appears when you hover over any column header. This icon is your gateway to modifying your Smartsheet, facilitating various modifications and customizations to suit your needs. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with different options. Choose Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left based on where you want the new column to appear relative to the column you clicked on. For example, if you wish to insert it immediately after the start date column, you would select Insert Column Right. Once your new column is in place, it's time to give it a name. This step is crucial because naming your column appropriately will ensure clarity as you continue managing data. For our purposes, let's name it something straightforward like duration. A simple, descriptive name minimizes any potential confusion, especially as your Smartsheet grows or if multiple team members access it. After naming your column, you'll need to define its function. In this case, you'll want to set the column type to duration. This is a pivotal step because setting the column type correctly ensures Smartsheet understands that this column will be used to calculate the length of tasks or projects through time-based formulas. Finally, confirm your settings to enable Smartsheet to perform automatic calculations. Once you've set your column type to duration, Smartsheet can calculate duration based on start and end dates, provided that you've turned on dependencies within your sheet. By enabling dependencies, any updates to your start or end dates will automatically adjust the calculated duration, maintaining a seamless and dynamic project management experience. And that's all there is to it. You now have a fully functional duration column in your Smartsheet, ready to help you keep track of timelines with precision and clarity. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy Smartsheeting!